Ako ay na-confuse ako. Na-confuse ako sa message nito. Dahil nag-research ko ako sa mga nasa 4 pala na gospel na katala ito, no? 4 na gospel, pero iba-iba yung mga sinasabi. Sabi ko, paano kaya galing ko nito? Sabi ko, na yung sa nasa, nakasulat na ni Matthew, naisulat naman niya ni Mark, Luke, at saka si John, no? Yung tatlo, alos magkakamukha sila ng sinasabi, pero yung John, sa Book of John, hindi ko rin na yung sinasabi. Paano kayo i-deliver ito? Sabi ko, ito lang ang kaya sabi ko, wala yung musik sa Diyos.
Amen.
I-deliver ito na ayon sa kanyang kagustuhan. No? Okay. Unahin natin basahin sa Matthew chapter 26. Sa verse 6. Ito kanya. And when Jesus was in Bethany, at the house of Simon, the leper. Ito po nung panahon po ng ating Panginoon, dahil po ay leprosy po siya, maaaring pinadali po siya ng Panginoon, pero yung pagiging leper niya ay hindi na nawala sa kanya. Okay? Ay leper. Simon the leper. A woman came to him having an alabaster flask or alabaster box of very costly fragrant oil, and she poured it on his head as he sat at the table. Verse 8, when his disciples saw it, they were indignant. Indignant yung sayang. Saying, why this waste? Sabi niya. And verse 9, for this fragrant oil might have been sold for much and given to the poor. But when Jesus was aware it, he said to them, why do you trouble the woman? For she has done a good work for me. Verse 11, for you have the poor with you always, but me you do not have always. Verse 12, for in pouring this fragrant oil on my body, she did it for my burial. Verse 13, assuredly I say to you, wherever this gospel is preached in the whole world, what this woman has done will also be told memorial to her. Okay, iba tayo Luke 7:36 to 15. No? Sabi niya dito, hindi ko lang babasahin lahat. 36, sabi niya, then one of the Pharisees asked him to eat with him, and he went to the Pharisee's house and sat down to eat. And behold, a woman in the city. Ito, makikita niyo yung woman, no? Walang pangalan, no? Lagi kanina, sabi niya, a woman in the city was a sinner. Pero sa kanina binasa natin sa Book of Matthew ay hindi sinasabing sinner. No? Pero parabas lang itong mga ito. Sabi niya, a sinner, when she knew that Jesus sat on the table in the Pharisee's house, broke at alabaster. Ito, magkakuha na lang sinasabi, alabaster. Flask of fragrant oil. Okay? And then sabi sa verse 38, and stood on his feet behind him, weeping, and she began to wash his feet with her tears and wiped them with the hair of her head, and she kissed his feet and anointed them in the fragrant oil. Okay, ngayon lang tayo papasayan. And then, lipat tayo ngayon. Mark 14 verse 3 to 9, nasabi niya dito, no? And being in Bethany, okay, the same setting, Bethany, at the house of Simon the leper, parehas din yung may-ari ng bahay. Sabi niya, and he's not at the table, woman came having alabaster. Okay? Para sa kanilang dala, no? A very costly oil of spikenard. Then she broke the flask and poured it on his head. But there were some who were indignant among themselves and said, why was this fragrant oil wasted. Ito merong nalagay ito, merong halaga. Sinabi, okay, sabi niya sa, kay Mark kasi kompleto yung sinabi. Sabi niya sa verse 5, for it might have been sold for more than 300 denarii. 300 denarii, alam po ninyo yung 300 denarii? Ang equivalent na yun, $25,000. Yan po yan ay isang taong sahod ng mga laborer. Okay? Kung alam po ninyo yung mga... Kaya isang taon na sahod ng isang laborer. No? Okay, $25,000 ang katumbas. Imagine, ibubuhos mo lang sa paa at ulo ng ating Panginoon. Kaya ang Panginoon kapag siya po ay nagpahayag ng pagkilo sa tao, walang imposible na kayang gawin natin.
Amen.
Okay? Hindi po nagiging waste ang mga bagay na ginagawa natin. Imagine, 300 denarii. No? John chapter 12, verse 1 to 8.